A great honor to follow on my colleague, Rabbi Michael Beals. And I want to say what an honor it is to be here today, both with the governor, lieutenant governor, and our attorney general, and so many other of our representatives here today. What I know is not very different from what Rabbi Beals shared, that when that call came out, and I remember not too long ago, together with the imam behind me over here, we were in the church, and we were standing together for unity, and it was there when we were serving the Jewish community, and he said, if you come for one of us, you come for all of us, and we stand together. So today I'm here for the inverse of that, for when we stand together, all of us together. Right. All of us can be together. That's the vision of what a world can be. What a blessing. What a wonderful blessing to see your faces and your presence here in this State House on this day, in this place, in this nation. What I know is we are created from holiness. Every single person has a spark of God's love within them, every single one. Our communities, our cultures, our religions teach the ultimate in respect, the ultimate in dignity, and the ultimate in honor for our fellow human beings with whom we share this world. I don't want to forget 300 years of what we call the Golden Age of Spain and the Iberian Peninsula, when Jews, Christians, and Muslims, and non-believers, and everyone that was there at that time, yes, in medieval times, were able to debate their beliefs, were able to share their cultural thoughts, able to share their philosophy together. And if it wasn't for that intersection of Islam, Christianity, and Judaism, our poetry, our math, our ways of thinking today would not be where we are today in the Western world and in society as we are. So we have to thank the Muslim community for bringing that into our world. And I want to say thank you here today. So what about today in our own times? I am proud to be one of the co-founders of the Peace Drums, Steel Drums Peace Project, that brings together two groups of people within Israel. These are Christians, Jews, Muslims, and Druze children, 6th, 7th, 8th grade children that are learning together to make music for peace, music for coexistence, and music for understanding. I look out there at a place in the world that is both our lands of holiness and deep lands of struggle, and I have hope, great hope for our future, that if these children can be our future leaders, we can share this world of peace and hope together. Many of you know that I'm a musician and I sing. I wanted to bring to you a piece of music here this afternoon as a way of letting us know the message I have of solidarity with the Muslim community, with our Islamic brothers and sisters here today. This is 3 Hebrew words. The first word is olam. The second word is chesed. And the third word is yibaneh. Olam, right? Olama, it's the world. Chesed, it's loving kindness. This is an ancient world. It's Proto-Semitic. It's pre-Hebrew. It predates that language. It means loving kindness. Yibaneh. We're going to build a world of love. My dear friend, Rabbi Menachem Creditor, wrote this melody to these psalms. It goes like this. Olam chesed yibaneh, yalalai, 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 lai. Olam chesed yibaneh, yalalai, yalalai, lalalai, lai. And I will build this world from love. Yalalai, 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 lai. And I will build this world from love. Yadadai, 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 dai. And if you build this world from love, yalalai, 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 lai. And if you build this world from love, Ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la. Then God will build. Then God will build this world from love. Ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la. Then God will build this world from love. Ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la. Olam chesed, olam chesed yibaneh. Ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la. Olam chesed yibaneh. Ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la.